Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Balram Pandit Arts, and today in this video I am going to show you the easiest and the simplest method of sketching. Yes guys, you can draw any of your portraits and artworks using this method. This method is called diagonal grid method. I am not talking about grid method guys, it is diagonal grid method. So let's see what is it, and let's see how can we draw using diagonal grid method. So watch the video till the end and hope you like it. Guys, for this you have to download a app on the Play Store. Just go on your Play Store and search for Grid Pixel Art, and it has came, you can see. Now just press or tap anything, and there I have already downloaded, so it is open. So just I am going and opening the app now. So this is the app, you can see Grid Pixel Art. Tap on it. Guys, after opening it will give you three options. Then just click on let's grid option, which is in the first, and after clicking it will just select on gallery and choose your desired photo which you want to sketch. So I will choose my photo here. Guys, I will choose Cristiano Ronaldo, so just click on the pic and it will open in the app. Now in the tools option you can make it black and white, then click on tools again for back, and then just go in settings, and in the setting just click and tick on these two options which I have shown you. Make the setting like what I have done. You don't have to change anything further. Just guys, now go back, and in the left corner you can see the plus and minus option. This is the number of grids, and as you have selected the grid of number of grid equals number of rows equals to number of columns, so it will give you number of rows equals to number of columns. So I have selected 6, so you can see the number of rows equals to number of columns. Guys, the main thing you have to see is the eye. Then make sure that your eyes lies between two boxes. As you can see now, my eyes is the left eye is between 3 boxes and the right eye is between 2 boxes, so it is well enough for me. So, and the next thing what you have to do is what you have to make sure that the number of rows and columns is maximum for your page, that your page can hold it. Guys, you can see the diagonal in the square boxes. There is only one diagonal, because if we have 2 diagonals then it will mess up all the page, so it is better to have one diagonal, then you can draw just quickly and fastly and easily. Guys, now draw the grid. For this, just suppose the grid of your pic is 1 centimeter, the dimension is 1 centimeter, then just make it 2 centimeter in your page to make it a little bit larger. If you want to make more larger, then just make it 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, as your page can hold it. So I will make it 2 centimeter, and make sure that the grid which are you going to make be in the center of the page. So let's see how I am going to make it. And guys, I know the video is going to be larger, so please watch till end. Guys, I am taking 2 centimeter as the dimension. And guys, make sure that you are drawing the grid using the lightest pencil, that is at least 2H or 4H. I am using 4H for this, but I am applying a little bit pressure so that it will be visible in the camera. So let's see you after making the grids. So guys, my grid is ready for sketching, and now by observing the picture, just make your sketch. Just start your sketch right now. So I will recommend you to start with the eye. Guys, it's simple. Just count the number of grids, means the position of eye, where is the eye located in the grids. So in this picture my eyes is located in the number of at least 5 rows and 3rd column my eyes is located. So let's start with the eye in timeless. What you have to do is just, guys, that observe the grids carefully, and just observe the grids carefully, guys. Now for the second part or second eyes, you don't need to count the number of grids again, the location again. Just observe the first eye and see that at how much difference the second eye is located. guys, hope you like the video. If you like the video, then give this video a big thumbs up. And guys, I will not recommend this method for beginners because it is very easy, anyone can draw using this method, so I will not recommend. So just practice and improve. So guys, do subscribe to my channel, and next video of how to set I will set this Ronaldo picture, how to set video will come, part 2. So hope you will see this video too, and bye bye.